Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here from MDC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, September 27th. Let's jump to our news item for this week, and it's a chock full of nut reporting week this week as we have reports the entire week coming up, including this morning. We start with durable goods. We have many of the FOMC members speaking throughout the week, including the chairman that's speaking on Monday. He's also going to be speaking, on Tuesday. He's also going to be speaking on Wednesday. And of course, information regarding crude inventory, Chicago PMI, manufacturing information, and of course, some unemployment information. So please, please, please keep your eyes open for these times regarding your trading sessions. These things seem to impact our market. Here in MC Trading Academy, teach our students to be out at least 5 minutes before these reports come out. Wait till after the report comes out. Wait till the post activity, and then continue trading if the market permits it. Let's jump to our daily chart as we begin our week, and as we can see, market is continuing its trek to the upside here. As we can see right here, volume again trailing off just a bit, but we're still above 1 million, 1.1 million, which is our threshold to participate. And our ATR is healthy at a 52 clip. Here you see again, this is expected behavior once again, coming off the 50 SMA findings, resistance against the 20 SMA. We're right back into this little space here. There's short resistance support. As you can see, this is where we were when we came below. This is where all the activity is happening. So there's your intraday high. There's your, your current intraday high, intraday low is obviously between these two areas. We don't use this time frame to make trading decisions. What we're doing is we're gleaning information from each time frame in order to create a hypothesis for our trading. Let's look for another time frame here so that we can kind of start giving this a little bit more form. Here we find ourselves that our next time frame here, a little slow in my system this morning. There we go. Okay, there we go. Between the green lines here, that represents the opening and closing of the week. This was the beginning of last week, the close of last week. If you notice, we recovered from our downturn. Market attempted once again to break above this particular resistance area. Market could not do so, retraces strongly. We were expecting the market to come down and retest this particular support level here, but no, it bounced right back. At the end of the week, again, it found resistance at 40, and overnight the market is clearly broken above it. But look, it just broke above it, and broke above it and quickly retraced to our previous support area. Now that's the key. Where is the market? What is the market going to do within these two areas? Is the market going to continue lower to potentially come and retest these levels down here, or is support going to hold and the market continue and try to retest this up here? Of course, that's the guessing game. That's where we are. That's how we're speculating in the market. But if we look at our analysis chart, we can see a little bit closer. And as soon as it pops in, there it is. Let's fix this here. There we go. This is our analysis chart here. That's not the chart I'm looking for. Hold on 1 minute. Here we go. Here's the activity from Friday, quite less than the previous days. You can see the dark side obviously represents the pre-market. Here's our intraday high here in blue. Our pink is our intraday low. Let me switch tools here so you can clearly see where I'm going here with this, our pointing tool. Here's our intraday high of Friday, our intraday low, market coming off the lows, a great trend line to the upside, keeping supporting. Here's our intraday high set up late, market bounces off it, and in the pre-market you see the strong move higher, but the market cannot hold. It quickly broke below the intraday high, and here's where we find ourselves potentially retesting these previous support resistance areas from Friday. And of course, remember, we failed on Friday. We were expecting the market to come retest. This was the intraday low from the previous day on Thursday. Market failed. we can potentially run here. Support, the support here is what's important. But as long as the market remains below this trend line here, we're expecting the market to move a little lower, and that's the key today. So just wait for the pullbacks in order to go short, but wait for the confirmation of what happens in this area first. Any recovery from here to the upside, we're expecting a quick run to potentially retest this area here. Take care and have a great session.